Here are 10 thoughts on the reality of life based on insights from various perspectives. 1. Objective versus subjective reality. Life is experienced through two lenses: objective reality, which is unchanging and factual, and subjective reality, shaped by personal perceptions influenced by upbringing, beliefs, and emotions. 2. Perspective shapes. Experience. Our view of reality depends on the lens we use. Different perspectives can lead to vastly different interpretations of the same event, emphasizing the importance of understanding others' viewpoints. 3. Reality beyond the senses. Life encompasses both tangible experiences and intangible forces, such as emotions and abstract concepts like love or logic. These unseen elements profoundly shape our existence. 4. The complexity of truth. There is rarely a single truth in life. Instead, multiple perspectives coexist, each holding some validity depending on context and interpretation. 5. Influence of culture and upbringing. Early experiences and cultural values shape how individuals perceive their world, creating diverse realities for different people. 6. Perception as reality. How we interpret events often becomes our reality, even if it diverges from objective truth. This underscores the power of perception in shaping decisions and relationships. 7. Interconnectedness of life. Reality is not isolated. It is a web of visible and invisible forces, from physical interactions to emotional connections that define human experiences. 8. Growth through perspective. Shifting. Expanding one's viewpoint to consider alternate perspectives fosters wisdom and reduces conflict in navigating life's complexities. 9. Reality as a shared construct. While individual realities differ, societal norms and shared experiences create a collective understanding that binds communities together. 10. The depths of existence. Life's reality is not just about survival or sensory experiences, but also about exploring deeper questions of purpose, identity, and meaning.